So I want to put my 2 cents in this Jamaican versus Haitian beef. By the way, I'm Haitian. But my question is, why are we doing this? Like, why are we beefing? Because we are the same color, which is black. We are all Caribbean. And we're not too far away from Jamaica. So what's the deal? And our food is very similar. We just speak different patois, which Jamaicans speak English patois, and us Haitian we speak like French patois. So what's the deal? And I heard the Jamaicans say that, oh, Haiti always, it's always a disaster. So they used to help us because we always have earthquakes and we are the poorest country. Are you for real? Like, why are we doing that? We did not choose to be in this situation. And they say, oh, Haitian eat cats, blah blah blah. So why are we even doing that? Like, how other countries gonna respect us when we acting like a fool on this app? It don't make no sense. If we, I don't know who's looking for clout for views, but this beef, y'all need to cut it out because it don't make no sense. You're just insulting each other. At the end of the day, we are black and we are Caribbean. Period.
What's up, guys? Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And why does it feel like Haitians and Jamaicans are suddenly clashing online? Everywhere you look, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube comments, there is tension, comparisons, and outright disrespect. But here is the real question. Is this beef actually real? Or is social media stirring the pot? Because if you step outside the internet, Haitians and Jamaicans are living, working, and building together every single day. So today we are breaking down what's really behind this tension, where it comes from, and why it's being exaggerated. Stay till the end because the truth might surprise you.
So, my day is sick with the flu, and I have people DMing me talking about, Maggie, you see what happened between Haiti and Jamaica, you see what going on? And the reason people are DMing me and asking me this is because my parents are from Haiti. I grew up in Jamaica, and my little brother is Jamaican. So, I'm definitely like in the middle right now. But all I want to say is that I noticed that you have some people on this app who, for the sake of clout and follows, they will make up some dumb challenges. Because I heard this started off of some dumb challenge that one Haitian girl started, and then other people followed or whatever. And now we have this feud between my fellow Jamaicans and my Haitian folks. And all I can say is, for those who know better, do better. Don't get caught up in this stupidness. It really makes us look dumb when 1 minute we want to be standing up and talking about colonialism and how it affects our country, or we're talking about reparations, and then in the same breath we go turn around and shit on each other. That literally makes no sense, and probably one of the reasons we never get taken seriously, because it doesn't take a lot for us to be divided. And from the video that the girl did, it was very dumb. You know yourself, goodie. All I can say is find better things for do with your time, because this was not it. This was so unnecessary. And when you know, so the Jamaicans go answer, one thing, me would want a Jamaican shame me or get in an argument with a Jamaican, because when them ready, them ready. And I know my Haitians, them have them hot mouth too, but boy, it unnecessary, guys. It's so unnecessary. Like, literally right now, two of our countries have got through certain things, like economically, like all of these things that we're currently experiencing in our countries is due to the same common denominator. And if we haven't reached to a point where we can stand together, we literally not gonna have nothing solved. It's just gonna continue the same. We're going to continue shit on each other over issues that we didn't create in the first place. Mind you, we're shitting on each other over issues that was created by other people, oppressors, and by corrupt governments. And then we are proud of that. Like, that's nothing to be proud of, y'all. So anyways, for those who know better, wanna just do better, don't allow this to bring out some inner, discrimination that you might have. Don't allow it to bring that out of you because you're upset. Put your anger towards that one girl there and just let's call it a day. And goodie, if you didn't know what good for you, delete the video. Delete it, Sherry, okay? Thank you, Sherry. Delete the video.
So I want to talk about this beef that's going on between Jamaica and Haiti. First, I want to say this to our Haitian family. Listen, guys. Honestly, we Jamaicans, we're just taking this for a joke. I think most Jamaicans are taking this for a joke. Even the videos that seem extreme with how they're coming at you, but believe me when I tell you that that's just who we are as a people. We'll take jokes overboard every single time. Like a Jamaican will joke you to death and hurt your feelings in every single way, and they are not serious. Like they're literally joking and they're taking your life events and giving you a joke with it. And that's kind of just who we are as a people. We're always taking things overboard. And if you go low, we're gonna go lower, and we're always gonna hit below the belt. And I'm sorry, because that's just who we are. And I'm almost sure no Jamaicans are taking this beef for real. Like we're not taking this for real. And then, but then, like some of the jokes, my people, come on. Una really thinks that some of the joke they're necessary. Una really and truly, I gotta tell the people them say next year hurricane I gotta go cover them place. Come on, man. It's like we are manifest disaster for the people them. Wanna stop it. Even though it was funny, me watch a whole thing and it was funny and blah blah blah. But come on, we cannot talk about the people them state of them country. Like them and go through something right now and we are use it to clown them. Una nice. But I swear to y'all Haitians, listen to me. We're not serious. We just always take things overboard. Jamaicans, we are very disrespectful. We're gonna disrespect you in every single way, and then we're gonna laugh it off and move on.
So I wake up this morning with this thing going on online about Asians, Jamaicans. Like, where did this start? Where it come from? I really don't know. But I think Jamaican within themselves need to look in themselves, especially the younger generation of people who don't know nothing. They like to quickly say Haiti is poor, Haiti do voodoo and all of that. So you mean to tell me you hate a country because them do voodoo and because them poor and you talk bad about the country? It doesn't make sense. I think Jamaica is one of the countries that is so loved internationally. All over the world people love Jamaica because of Bob Marley, because Bob Marley spread love, peace, and people just accept us as that and treat us accordingly. But for me, living in the days of internet, you could see that how ignorant people are, especially younger generation, like really how ignorant they are. Like you're bashing a whole country just because them poor and them work voodoo and whatever. Like, make it make sense, yeah.
There's an intimate connection between Haiti and Jamaica. Although these two nations have their own unique history and culture, they are conjoined, bound together by shared experiences, united not only through history, but also by blood. One can argue that these two nations have one of the deepest connections in the Caribbean. Both Haiti and Jamaica are derived from the original Taino names given to our islands, Haiti and Jamaica. That's because the original inhabitants of Haiti, Jamaica, and several countries throughout the Caribbean were the Taino people. Now today, these two countries have the highest concentration of Afro-Caribbeans in the world. But even before the first Africans were brought over to the region, the Tainos united these two islands, and the close proximity of them made the connection that much deeper.
Let's start with the obvious. Social media thrives on conflicts. Algorithms don't push peace. They push arguments, comparisons, emotional reactions. A respectful conversation gets ignored. But one disrespectful clip, millions of views. So when someone says, who did more for black people? Who is more African? Who struggled more? That clip gets boosted. And suddenly people think, wow, Haitians and Jamaicans hate each other. But that's not reality. That's algorithmic drama. Most Haitians and Jamaicans are not online arguing all day. They are too busy surviving. Both cultures carry heavy historical pride. Haiti was the first black republic, successful slave revolution, and defeated European empires. And Jamaica was a maroon resistance, cultural influence through music, language, and global movements, and lastly, outsized impact for a small island. Instead of seeing these as shared victories, social media turns them into a scoreboard. Who did more? Who suffered more? Who matters more? But history was never meant to be a competition. Both stories are chapters of the same African diaspora struggle. Here is something people don't talk about enough. Most of this tension doesn't even happen in the Caribbean. It happens in the United States, Canada, and Europe. In the diaspora, people face job competition, immigration pressure, identity confusion. Young people grow up being told, prove who you are, explain your culture, defend your people. That pressure turns pride into defensiveness, and defensiveness online often turns into disrespect. Let's be honest. Colorism, language shaming, stereotypes, these didn't start with Haitians or Jamaicans. They came from colonial systems designed to divide Africans. French versus English, light versus dark, educated versus uneducated, Creole versus Patois. Colonialism taught black people to rank each other, and social media just revived it. When you see insults flying, you are not seeing hatred. You are seeing unhealed trauma playing out publicly. Ask yourself this: who actually benefits from Haitians and Jamaicans fighting online? Not Caribbean people, not black communities. A lot of the loudest voices aren't even Caribbean. They profit from controversy and get paid from clicks and views. Division is content. Unity is boring to the algorithm. Here is the truth they won't tell you offline. Haitians and Jamaicans marry each other, go to the same churches, live in the same neighborhoods, work the same jobs, face the same discrimination. The so-called clash exists mostly online. The real struggle isn't Haitians versus Jamaica. It's unity versus insecurity, healing versus inherited trauma, awareness versus manipulation. If you are Haitian or Jamaican watching this, remember, your history isn't threatened by someone else's pride. There is room for all our stories. If this video brought clarity, like, share, subscribe, and comment respectfully. Let's stop letting social media rewrite our reality.